New pet dental care kits hitting the market as more vets warn of the dire consequences of periodontal disease for your animals. Leslie Yazel, Deputy Editor of Personal Journals, here to tell us about brushing your cat's and your dog's teeth. Now, it sounds funny. I mean, I brush my dog's teeth religiously, but it's really serious, this problem, and it can lead to pretty dire consequences with animals.
It's true. You can get horrible infections that can spread. Your pet can lose a lot of teeth, your pet can be in a lot of pain. So it's a big dilemma for pet owners. Do you have the dog, put under and have their teeth cleaned?
Right.
Do you take this into your own hands? The market has responded. There's a lot of products.
And it's very tricky to brush your pet's teeth. I mean, as I was mentioning, I have a golden retriever, I brush her teeth, but you and I were talking before the show, and I was saying just on Friday, we found out she has pretty severe periodontal disease. She had a tooth fell out, in fact, from her, and it's pretty dire. They have to do surgery for her to fix it. So what are these new kits that they're coming out with? How do they make it easier for people to do this?
They have all sorts of ways of attacking it. There are wipes for your animal's teeth. There are additives to put in the water.
We're looking at you brushing your cat's teeth.
There's little Sadie.
She's actually very good. Now you're using a typical regular toothbrush. What's the flavor on there?
It's chicken toothpaste, and that's the key, is find a flavor that they like. The toothpaste vets say is probably not the key component here. It's the brushing, so just find something that they like.
Right.
She's 14. We've been brushing her teeth since she was a kitten, so she's used to it. Give your pet treats afterwards, and that's another sort of area of defense. There are pet treats that have tartar control properties in them now as well.
Which could be easier. I mean, Sadie, you said.
Yes.
Sadie's very good. I mean, I know you were gripping her a little bit by the neck there, but
I know.
She was quite good.
But she was happy. She's not hurt.
But many cats will run and dogs will sort of bite down on the toothbrush or even their owner's hands in some cases. Yeah. What about these chews must be a sort of easier way to go?
Well, that's the thing. Brushing is not an option for everyone. So if you can put something in the water bowl, if you can just do a quick wipe where you're not having to get in there with your fingers and potentially get bit or nipped, or in the case of cats, scratch, that's going to be a much easier option for a lot of people.
People wonder if some of these products, though, are safe or have been tested for their pets, these toothbrushes and these toothpastes. Is there any group or any kind of seal for these things that they can look for?
There is something called the VOHC. This is Veterinary Oral Health Council. It's a scientist-run group. They have a seal. It's only on 30 products, and it's ones that they can look at and say this has been rigorously tested. And there's actually a new toothpaste. It'll be the first toothpaste to carry the seal, coming out in June.
Okay, so people can look for that seal just to know they're getting a toothpaste that at least has some efficacy that's been tested behind it. All right, Leslie Yazel, nice job. Sadie has beautiful teeth. So do you.
Well, we brush in my house, even the toddlers.